Hello everyone, welcome back to Beyond Diary. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this easy and beautiful chain of hearts pattern. For this project, I'm using 4mm crochet hook and number 3 lightweight yarn. Okay, let's get started with a slip knot. Now work 6 chains. Now we're going to work 4 treble crochets into the 4th chain from the hook. So for that, yarn over twice and insert the hook from the 4th chain and grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops and yarn over, pull through 2 loops and again yarn over, pull through all. So this is a treble crochet. Now we have to work 3 more treble crochets into the same space. Okay, here we made 4 treble crochets. Now we're going to work 2 double crochets into next chain space. Okay, here we made 2 double crochets. Now into the last chain we're going to work 2 single crochets. Now in this place we're going to work a picot. So for that you have to work chain 2. And now insert the hook from these 2 loops and grab the yarn and then make a slip stitch. Okay, here we made a picot. Now from here we're going to work into the opposite side. So now I'm going to work 2 single crochets into that chain space, that 2 single crochets we made before. Now work 2 double crochets into next chain space here. Now work 4 treble crochets into next chain space in this place. Okay, here we made 4 treble crochets. Now last work chain 2 and make a slip stitch into the same space here. Okay, here we done our first heart. This is how it looks like. Now from here you have to work hearts in a row. So for that you have to work 7 chains. Now we're going to work 4 treble crochets into the 4th chain from the hook. Okay, here we made 4 treble crochets. Now we're going to work 2 double crochets into next chain space. Now work 2 single crochets into next chain space. In this point, we're going to work a picot top of that last single crochet. For that, work chain 2 and insert the hook from that 2 loops. To grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Okay, here we made a picot. Here we are not going to work any stitches into the last 7th chain. Now all you have to do is just turn your work like this. And now we're going to work into the opposite side. So work 2 single crochets into the same space that we made 2 single crochets before. Now work 2 double crochets into the next chain space. Okay, here we made 2 double crochets. Now into the last chain, you have to work 4 treble crochets. Okay, here we made 4 treble crochets. Now last work 2 chains and work a slip stitch into the same space. So this is how it looks like. And now from here, all you have to do just continue same pattern till the desired length you want. Okay, here you can see I made 5 hearts on a row. So last work, chain 1 and cut off the yarn. So this is how it looks like, the chain of hearts, and I'll show you the same pattern I made with different size of yarns and hook. So here this one I made with a sport weight yarn, it's nature cotton yarn, and I used 2mm crochet hook. And here this one I made with a very thin yarn, it called Venus brand, and I used 0.9mm crochet hook. And I think this size is suitable for a bracelet. So that's for today's video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon with another video. Until that, take care. Bye bye.